Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you additional decor paper that I am using in my miniature bakery. I haven't started yet, but I recently shared a video with you on the options that I have. I have many options because I have loads of decorative paper, but as far as for a bakery or as far as anything related to pastries and sweets, these are the ones that I came up with. Now, I recently shared a video sharing these with you, but after that video, I found this one. And this is just perfect. This one and the chocolate chip are both perfect for a miniature bakery. This is going to be the flooring. Now, I have a lot more patterns, and I'll show you in a minute. Right there in here, I have a whole bunch of pattern paper. Now, I've gotten some at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and a lot of them have been from the thrift store. Look at all these different paper. But anyway, as for the bakery, this is what's best to use. So this is additional. You didn't see this one, so stay tuned for that bakery because it will be coming very soon and it is gonna be amazing. So I hope that you stay tuned to see the tour of the new bakery, and thank you so much for watching.